I'm Sky Crystal and Culturally Confused and Creatively Liberated, and today I am doing an unboxing from Root Houseplants, and I'm really excited to get it. Yay! I bought it 2 days ago and it was shipped, and I got it today, so let's open it. Yay! Got a little sticker and a plant care guide. I've got to be careful with it. Oh wow! This is my second purchase from Root Houseplants, and I am absolutely in love. It's a Hoya Eclipse. I can't remember the middle name, but it's beautiful. Let's have a little gander, and look how well packaged it is. I'm on the Hoya hype at the moment. Look at it, how freaking adorable. Let's see. It's beautiful. Look at that chunky boy leaves. Ooh! And it's in a clear pot. Kudos for that. Kudos. Because I love a good clear pot. Cool. With Root Houseplants, they're amazing. They've got an incredible Hoya section. I could have easily bought like 100 Hoyas. Really excited to have this in my collection, and I will definitely be buying from Root Houseplants again. It was super quick and reasonably priced. This, I paid £19 for it, and I can't remember how much shipping was, but it was super simple to do, and I will definitely be buying from them again and again and again. So thank you, Root Houseplants, for having a great selection of Hoyas, and I'm glad. I think I got the last one of the Hoya something Eclipse. Let me just double check what it's called. So this is a Hoya Incrusata Eclipse, and I'm so happy. Look at that variegation. Look how full it is. It needs a bit of water, so I'm going to give it some water. But thank you very much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!